So I'm sure this is a familiar sight. That's my DMG elevator button right there. But, oh my God, that's so hot, so hot, so hot. Oh, sorry for that right there. That door was hot. But we got a notice elevator. That's my DMG button right there. Sorry for shaking the camera, guys. But anyways, let's listen to the motor. That will conclude the video. Anyways, let's take one trip on the stairs, shall we? So here's the stairs at 8981 West Sahara Avenue. But here's the view outside. And yes, but on the other side, I got something to show you guys. Let's walk down towards the stairs. And now, let me go show you the moment of truth. So, there's something on the other side I'd like to show you guys. Look at this. This is an insane fail I have to show you. That's the fire riser room right there. But if you take a look at this fire alarm right here, this is what I wanted to show you. Yes, the Spectre Alert Classic falling off the wall. Wow, that's a fail right there. Look, it's really falling. Thanks for watching. Like the video and subscribe. Have a good day. Bye.